Good afternoon. The term cornering, we are going to cover cornering. All the vehicles, when they are moving, they have to do what we call cornering. My name is Diamond Piri, Tape Driving School. The term cornering is used to describe the driving of a vehicle around a corner or a bend. This is a very important subject which I also covered extensively in social media and even in newspapers. I've written a lot of articles about cornering. The manner of approaching and negotiating the various bends and corners encountered in a day-to-day motoring is what we are going to discuss, and it will vary accordingly to prevailing conditions. The following principles also apply, must be complied with at all costs to ensure maximum safety. That's number one. The correct position of the vehicle on the approach side. Number two, right choice of speed as you approach a corner. Number three, correct gear to the speed. And number four, the vehicle to maintain a constant speed while negotiating the curve. I think we have realized a lot of vehicles, they actually involved in accident, which means they go off the road whenever they are negotiating the curve. By application of the following principles, certain safety factors will also be apparent according to the Police Roadcraft Manual. Your vehicle will be in the correct side of the road. That's point number A. Point number B, the vehicle will be able to remain there. Point number B, your vehicle will be able to stop in the distance. The driver can see the road ahead to be clear. The condition of steering, suspension, shock absorbers, tires, pressure, and the holding of your vehicle will affect the behavior of the vehicle when negotiating a curve or a corner. As a driver should know that when turning, there are certain forces that act on the vehicle. There's what we call momentum force, which is the going forward force. This force gets the moment you exert pressure on the accelerator pedal, and your vehicle will move fast. The moment when you steer your vehicle into a curved path whilst negotiating the curve, an outward force is created. This force is called centrifugal force. A combination of these forces, they tend to take the vehicle towards the offside of the road, and this produces what we call resultant force. This force is the one that takes the car off the road. Statistics also show that most cars